So we're just gonna say the name of the letter and the sound. Are you ready?
Yes.
Z, Z, G.
Today, instructional coach Carla Miller is beginning her lesson with a warm-up using letter flashcards.
A, F.
She asks her students to give the letter name and the sound it makes. This helps them become automatic in sound-letter correspondences, which is necessary for fluent reading.
D, D. H, O, R. B, B.
Oh, let's look again. It's a straight back, big belly. B. Let's do it together.
Now they're ready to work on blending these sounds into words.
So good.
Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Are You Teaching? For more information, please visit readinguniverse.org. Special thanks to Burgess-Peterson Academy and Atlanta Public Schools. Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the American Federation of Teachers, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and 3 anonymous donors. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
This is Reading Universe.